Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The main tool in Publisher is the ribbon. This object allows you to perform all of the commands available within the program. The ribbon is divided into tabs. Within these tabs are different groups of commands. The commands in each group can be accessed through the use of the buttons, boxes, or menus available within the group. Note that for advanced options, or for users familiar with the old Dialog Box functionality in Publisher, you can click the Dialog Box Launcher button that appears in the lower right corner of some button groups on the Currently Displayed or Active tab within the ribbon. Doing this then opens a dialog box of options available for that particular button group. You can also double-click the Active tab within the ribbon to both hide and show the contents of the ribbon. This can be a handy way to gain additional workspace while composing the pages of the active publication. Click on the main tabs shown in the ribbon to switch the button groups displayed. The default tabs shown in the ribbon are File, Home, Insert, Page Design, Mailings, Review, View, and Help. You can also enable the Developer tab if using macros or code. In addition to the primary tabs available for you to use, you will also see special contextual tabs that will appear within the ribbon when you have a particular type of object selected in your publication. You will see contextual tabs appear when you have either a picture, table, text box, or word art selected within your publication page. The groups of buttons that then appear on the contextual tabs will be directly related to the type of object selected. You can make the contextual tabs disappear by clicking away from the selected object within the publication window.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.